Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about a collaboration challenge called Jewelry Making Fun Collaboration 2024, and it's hosted by Dahlia Designs, also known as Deb Hauk. So I've been doing this collaboration challenge with Deb for several years, and I debated on doing it again, but I've had so much fun with it, I thought, I am going to do it again. So here we are in 2024, January, and what she has challenged us to do is use the colors of red or pink. So I'm using pink, and then she wants us to make a choker necklace, which I did, and to either use hematite, gunmetal, or black findings like black chain or wire. Well, I am using these hematite stars here, and I have this little choker necklace that I made for one of my granddaughters. These pink glass beads came from BB Craft, and the hematite stars I have had for years, decades, literally. When I first started making jewelry back in the 70s, the late 70s, early 80s, I used a lot of hematite and chips, and believe it or not, I still have some hematite left over. And I really like hematite, and I don't know why I don't use it more often. I really should incorporate it in my designs more. But then this come out nice. It's a 16-inch choker. Technically, anything that's 16 inches is considered a choker. I actually can wear this quite nicely, and it would make a really good layering piece. But for my granddaughter, who I've made this for, she is 7, and it'll probably fit her more like what an 18-inch would fit me, or maybe even a 20-inch. So she'll grow into it, and when she's a teenager, she'll be able to wear it as a choker. So it is timeless. One thing about necklaces for children I would like to address is you need to really be careful. I do use these little clamshell bead tips in all of my pieces like this, but they're really good for small children, because if for some reason this got caught and she was to have potential of getting strangled, this will break apart. I mean, you would have to pull it pretty hard, but it will break apart. And that's what we want. We don't want it to just fall apart easily. But if there is a strangulation opportunity, we want the necklace to be able to come apart. Now, you're not going to lose all your beads in the process of that. It'll just keep her from being choked. And that is something, when you do make or purchase jewelry for small children, you need to keep that in mind, because it is a major choking hazard, and there have been children who have been injured or have lost their lives due to wearing a necklace that did not break away. So just would like to address that. Anyway, this is my contribution for the month of January 2024. I have links down in the description box below to all the other participants, so I hope you go check out what they have made. We're not doing any tutorials. They're more just a project share, so they should be short little videos, so go check them out. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.